all these kind of foolish educating that you've been having. We got doctors over here. Really? What have you created? Nothing. You have read all the English book. What have you created? Nothing. No. Let's be frank. Let's be frank with us. For 57 years, what have you created? Nothing. No, it is very hard. Really, it's very hard. We have to be able to create things for our own. Close ourselves? No, I'm telling you, man. All the things that you wear right now, where they coming from?
What about you?
Where they coming? I'm in the same situation. We all in the same spot. We are very deep in the mud. We have to be able to food ourselves. You're eating some rice that coming from Indonesia. Foolishness. You have land, you have water. Why can't you get yourself over there in Thailand and trying to feed yourself, clothe yourself, and to cool yourself? Hold on, man. I'm gonna fly back.
Hey, go. Wait. Hey, wait a minute.
Wait, guys. Yeah, just 2 minutes, yeah.
Okay. 2 minutes. All right? Yeah. Shut it out, man.